Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your normal videos like a cyberspace future kind of like photo on CapCut mobile. So to do that, you're just going to select a picture. I just chose this one, and I'm going to select the clip, and I will go to style, and I will select the cyber future AI effect. This takes a long time, but you can minimize this window to continue editing if you'd like to. But again, this does take a really long time, so you have to be patient. You can just like minimize though, and it will show the percentage in the background, and I will be right back when everything's been generated. It does take a long time, so I'll just be right back. Okay, we are back with the final product. Just press the final result. Press the check mark button, and this is what your photo should look like at the end. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!